Hi, this is Wilson from Places and Foods. Okay, we all know that Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra is the world's first AI smartphone. And when you have an AI smartphone, you use the AI tool. So one of my favorite AI tool is the photo AI editor. So what do I use with that? I use the AI eraser. I use the tool to erase people as well as remove objects. So I'm going to show you how I did that using the screen recorder and then also the end product. I'll show you the before and after product, and it is fun. So what I'm showing you right now is how I'm going to edit out the person next to COVID. COVID, who is the lady in white, is a celebrity. So I'm using the photo editor. I'm using the photo editor to highlight the whole person. And then what I'm going to do right now is using the S Pen, click the eraser and let the phone to use the AI to calculate the missing pieces and creating the new scenery. I think this is a pretty cool function. I always use this to prank my friend. And at the end, it becomes just a chair. I think it's pretty cool, right? So you can actually save these as an additional file so you don't lose the actual file. And as you can see, I'm comparing these two images. At the bottom left, there's AI watermark. That means this is a AI generated photo. So now let's move to the second photo that I'm going to show you how you can actually edit. So this is photo of COVID. So I'm now trying to make her disappear. And then I'm going to hold my S Pen, highlight her, click the eraser button, and AI is calculating right now, adding the missing pieces as well as doing the new scenery without her. So what's the outcome? Oh, she becomes an air purifier. I think this is pretty funny, but you do see some of the mistake on the font at the background. So it is not 100%, but let's take the previous photo that I make the lady disappear, and now I try to make COVID disappear in this photo. So let's see what happens if I make all the humans in this photo disappear. Same methodology, erase it. Now the AI is adding the missing pieces anytime right now, and now she become an art piece, which I think is pretty funny. So I just save this and I'm showing you the previous photos. This is original photo, and now this is the end product without the humans. So this is one of the fun things about the photo AI editor that I use often on a daily basis. So getting an AI smartphone is actually useful, and it's not just for show only. You actually use it on a daily basis. So based on the video I show you just now, it is not 100% thing, but it is like 70 to 80%, and sometimes you have to redo it a few times to get it perfect. So it is a fun thing to do when you re-edit photos of your friends, or during some of the food photos that I take, I need some editing. So this is the right tool to do it. So in the upcoming weeks, I'll be doing more videos about the S24 Ultra. So remember to subscribe to my channel and stay tuned for that. I've been using this for over a month right now. So if you have any questions about the S24 Ultra, please do comment. Thanks for watching, everyone. Remember to subscribe to my channel and take care.